Woodruff County Airport, Cherokee 66 Whiskey is taking off runway 27. We'll be departing to the west, Woodruff County. Little Rock approach, Cherokee 7466 Whiskey.
Cherokee 66 Whiskey, Squawk 0225.
0225, 7466 Whiskey.
November 66 Whiskey, radar contact 25 miles northeast of Adams Field, Adams altimeter 29990, say altitude.
Altitude is 2,500 feet. We were requesting to transition through Class Delta to North Little Rock.
November 66 Whiskey, transition to Class Delta is approved.
Transition approved, 66 Whiskey.
November 66 Whiskey, traffic 12 o'clock, 6 miles southbound, RV10 at 2,100.
Watching for traffic, and we have North Little Rock in sight.
November 66 Whiskey, change to advisory frequency approved, Squawk VFR, good day.
Frequency change approved, squawking VFR. Thanks for your help, good day. North Little Rock traffic, Cherokee 66 Whiskey is turning final for runway 5, North Little Rock. North Little Rock traffic, Cherokee 7466 Whiskey is clear of runway 5, North Little Rock.